It's been a while it's most definitely something that's very important to government to ensure that they are relocated, but there are a lot of boxes that need to be ticked before we do relocate them. We must make sure that they're in a place so that it never happens again. There are some geotech studies that need to take place. Ministry of Lands is involved, and also iTLTB is also involved. Matangali also have their own land. We've been fortunate that the AOG, I think it is, that's given them the land to currently stay on temporarily, but want to try and do that as quickly as possible. These are things that need to be done. They cannot be done at breakneck speed. They must be done carefully so that the issues and the problems that they faced before never happen again. It has to be some degree of permanence in terms of their relocation. And there are little technical issues that need to be resolved, but they will be shortly. This is why we were on the ground. We've had a discussion with the landowners there also, very fruitful this afternoon. So happy to be here in the north also after some 2 years to actually get on the ground and see these things and get a first-hand picture and speak to also the stakeholders that are involved.